So for this step, the machine will do all the work for me. I just got to follow the paint or the laser with a paint can. And that'll basically get me the center line either on the floor or back all the way down my drip, or until I stop it. So now the next step is the grade line function. So with this function, the laser will start at the center line and make its way down the left wall. While it's taking this grade line, I'll be following it with paint and painting the line at the planified grade on the walls. At the same time, Moss will be generating a tope wherever the laser touches. So basically it'll be calculating all the measurements from this location and adding it into the design. It adds actually a little yellow line to show you where it's looking. After I save it, it'll turn into a white line. It's hard to see right now because there's a few of them.